In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify footer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to edit, and how to make your footer look professional and useful for your shoppers. Start by opening your browser and heading to shopify.com. Click login, then sign in using your preferred method. Once you're in your admin dashboard, look at the left sidebar and select Online Store. This is where your themes live. Find your current theme and choose the option to edit it. Depending on your theme or Shopify's interface at the moment, this button may be labeled Edit Theme or Customize. Either way, it opens the theme editor with a live preview on the right and a list of sections on the left. In that left sidebar, scroll to the bottom and select Footer. This is the dedicated section where you'll control everything that appears at the bottom of your site. Inside the footer section, you can add or edit blocks. Typical blocks include text, a menu, social icons, a newsletter sign-up, an image like a small logo, and payment icons. Add what supports your store's goals and keep it focused. 2 to 4 blocks are usually enough for clarity. Use clear headings such as help, company, or resources. If you add a newsletter sign-up, include a short line that sets expectations about what subscribers will receive. For logos or badges, use a clean, high-contrast image, ideally a transparent PNG or SVG, and keep file sizes small so your site stays fast. You can reorder blocks by dragging them to match the importance you want to convey. Next, edit your footer menu links. Choose which menu to display in the footer, then prune or rename links so they're useful and recognizable. Common choices include contact, FAQ, shipping, returns, privacy policy, and terms of service. Make sure each link points to the correct page. Clear, predictable navigation in the footer builds trust and reduces customer friction. Now refine the look and feel. Adjust footer colors and layout using the controls in the section or theme settings. Pick a color scheme with strong contrast for readability. If you opt for a dark background, use light text and, if needed, an inverted logo. Tweak the number of columns, spacing, and dividers so the content breathes without looking sparse. Glance at the mobile preview to ensure text remains legible and links aren't cramped. When everything looks right, click Save in the top right corner, wait for the confirmation, then view your storefront to confirm the changes are live. That's it. Clean, helpful, on brand,